This is right on the highway at Highway 76, out close to Lake Burton. Look how windy it is. Looks like my sign's gotten blown around. That's awesome. Oh, it broke. We may just let this one break. That's a lot of pressure. I'm just gonna take it down for right now. Holy smack. Sometimes you just gotta get it done. It's still for sale. It's just windy, so I'm taking this down. I'm gonna go put it back here. I'm gonna put it under the covered wagon. I think it's safe there for a little bit. Man, this wind is crazy.